In this video, I want to show you how to remove background from any image in Microsoft Word or PowerPoint. For instance, if I go online, let me download this image. Let me just right click and copy image. So if I come back to Microsoft Word and paste, right click and paste, we can see that the image has background. This is the background. If I want to remove this background, click on the image to highlight it, then come to format, come to remove background, click on it. So when you click on it, it will turn to purple. Then come to format again and click on remove background. You can see the background has been removed. So I can now use this one now for any purpose I want to use it. After removing the background, you can choose to crop the image. So come to format and see crop. Then come here, click here and drag. Come to this point also, click and drag. So you can see now we have cropped the image and we have also removed the background. So this is how to remove background from any image in Microsoft Word or Microsoft PowerPoint. Thank you for watching.